Meaning of follow-on.
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 Follow-on. Follow-on means a subsequent action or event that results from a prior action or event. It is often used in the context of business and finance, where it refers to future investment rounds that build on previous ones. A successful follow-on investment can indicate investor confidence in a company's growth potential and may lead to additional funding opportunities. On the other hand, a failed follow-on investment may signal a lack of investor confidence and potentially harm a company's future prospects. In summary, follow-on represents a continuation or expansion of previous actions that can have significant implications for future outcomes.